We all see dreams. Some people achieve them by working hard, by having the zeal of achieving their dreams, and some let them go by thinking that they have not the capacity to achieve that. So, hello and welcome back to another video of Way to Pragmatic Life, or Vision towards Practical Life. This is the story of 1974. In one of the villages of Muzaffarnagar, there born a young boy named Nawazuddin Siddiqui. The family was blessed with the baby boy. The boy grew up day by day with all the love, care and affection. The boy grew up with all the facilities except one, and that is no clue of what to become in future and what to pursue in future. Seeing the father doing farming, the boy also learned the farming. Doing farming was never a solution for him, was never the factor of having a satisfied career. This one fine day, a friend of him took him to the cinema hall to watch a film, and the boy accompanied him. They both had to travel 40 kilometers away from their village to go and watch that film. This was the very first experience for both of them to go and watch a film in such a big theater. This small little boy sitting over there watching the film got fascinated by the chemistry between the audience and the actor performing on the screen. And that is where he decided to pursue acting as his career, to pursue acting as his profession. He discussed the same with his friend, and his friend told him that even to complete the basic education, there are no resources in our village. How are you going to make it possible? How are you going to achieve it? The boy stopped, gave it a thought and replied him, I am going to make my dreams come true. I am going to move to some other big city to pursue my dreams. He went home, searched and came up with the solution to pursue acting in National School of Drama in Delhi. He told about the same to the villagers and his family. They listened to him, and after a small moment of giggling over him, they told him that to become an actor, there should be good personality, not like you who is 5 foot 6 inches long with a dusky complexion, and you think that you can become an actor. He heard them, and without even giving a reply to them, he left to pursue his dreams and shifted to Delhi. In 1996, he completed his graduation and decided to move to City of Dreams, Bombay. With no penny in his pocket, with no survival money, he decided to go there and survive there. He went there with no survival money in his pocket. He stayed with one of his friends. He stayed with him and cooked for him for about 6 months and started looking for small roles in cinemas and theaters of about 40 to 50 seconds. He started getting the roles, but not even the basic survival money. He stopped himself and asked that what can be done. He took his mother's jewelry, rent it on and earned some money from there and invested that money as a security into the watchman's job and did the job of 9 to 5 of a watchman there. After 5, he used to go to theaters, to cinemas to do the role to pursue his dreams. But because of that, he used to sleep in his job. He used to sleep during his duty time, and due to which he got kicked out of his job without even earning back his mother's jewelry. He got kicked out from that job. But his mother told him that in 12 years, a paper's life also changes. Then what is your life? You have only completed 6 years, still struggling. Do continue that, stay motivated, achieve your dreams. and he stayed motivated, went for his dreams. And this one fine day came when he started getting small roles in the movies. In 1999, he got a small role of 40 seconds in Aamir Khan's movie Sarfarosh. In 2007, in Black Ride. 2011, in Patang. But these roles were only of 40 to 50 seconds length and not more than that. The actor went unnoticed from the screen, went unnoticed from the eyes of the audience. But he did not lose his hope, he struggled more and he transformed his identity from a watchman to watch me man. In 2012, he got his main leading film, Gangs of Wasseypur, which hit the box offices, hit the people's heart, and the actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui was now the big star in people's heart. People loved his film, loved his work, and more than that, his dedication, his hard work, his motivation made him win that day. Never lose hope, never give up on your dreams. The moment you give up on your dreams, you give up on the life you are living. You never live your life for yourself, rather you live your life for the people by which you are surrounded, by which you are motivated. After that, he started getting mainstream movies like Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Kick and Reggie. If you have the potential to change the world will change. But if you are not having that, the world will change you. Stay motivated, run after your dreams, pull up your socks, go find your passion, but do not ever give up on your dreams.